All right, welcome aboard. If you're new here, you're probably already hearing a lot about SAC Planning. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's break down what makes SAC Planning tick, and why it's such a game changer for how we plan, analyze, and drive our business forward. So, when most people think about reporting and analysis, they focus on what's already happened, what we call actuals. That's important, but here's the thing. Great businesses don't just look in the rearview mirror, they need to know where they're headed. Effective planning isn't just about one department or a few experts, it's about getting input from across the organization. This is what's called collaborative enterprise planning. It's basically making sure all the pieces, departmental plans, strategic goals, financial forecasts, fit together tightly. Imagine the difference between everyone rowing in their own direction versus the whole crew moving in sync. Now let's talk about the key roles in SAC planning. First up, planning modelers. These are the folks who really understand the company's data inside and out. They build the models and set up the systems that everyone else uses. Then there are planning reporters. Think of these people as the translators. They're digging into the numbers every day, creating budgets, running forecasts, and turning all that data into reports and analysis the rest of us can actually use. Last but not least, planning viewers. That includes business users, managers, executives, basically anyone who needs to see the big picture and weigh in on decisions. So, where does SAC planning actually fit in? Well, let's say you spot a trend in the numbers or something weird pops up. SAC gives you smart, free-form ways to dig in, so you can figure out what's driving those trends, what's causing the issues, and what to do about it. Planning isn't just a one-and-done thing either. It's collaborative, cyclical, and always evolving. There are three main phases: preparing the solution, planning, and finalizing the data. Let's zoom in. In the prepare phase, planning modelers are in the driver's seat. They set things up, but they'll keep tweaking and upgrading as we go through new cycles. We also use the SAP Analytics Cloud Calendar to keep things organized. You can create tasks, assign them to people, and make sure everything gets reviewed and approved. For bigger projects, you can manage multiple events at once, so nothing falls through the cracks. And here's a cool tool, the value driver tree. Instead of looking at just one KPI at a time, a value driver tree lets you visualize the whole value chain of the business. It's like seeing the forest and the trees, so you can spot opportunities and risks faster. So that's the basics of SAC planning. It's all about connecting data, people, and goals. So when it's time to make decisions, everyone's on the same page, and you can move forward with confidence. Ready to dive in?